So this is how it works to use this media player to up your sound. So I'll just take this should you homeschool year round. So I click on it. When you look at any video inside of our
easy way to
program, you'll have it'll link into YouTube. I think all of them are YouTube. Some may be Vimeo, but I think they're all YouTube. And when you go there, you'll be able to look at this button that says share. And share gives you a link. You can embed it, email. We don't want you embedding, obviously. But you can copy that. So I just copied that number there. And when I open in my computer VLC, right, the media player, I'm going to open it up. I had it open, so something may be there. We'll see. But it opens this VLC that I put into the game. And I go down to media. And all I'm wanting to do is open this network stream. So I'm wanting to stream it. And what I'll do is please enter a code, and I'm going to paste that video we just got. And then I'm going to click play. And we'll see how smart this is.
Hey, the easy way to homeschool is to do it year-round. Now, I know this is a minority opinion.
Make this larger.
Look, however you do it, I'm cheering for you.
But also,
let me just
that
walk
is
you through.
Current. Let me stop. So that's the current sound level. You see, that's as high. I've got it on 100%. You'll see in the upper left there, 100%. So that's the normal sound for this video.
Why year-round?
But I can move it up. So in this, I can take this.
My name is Fred Ray Lybrand.
Move it all the way over.
My wife and I homeschool.
And it moves the sound up. Let's see if I can show the difference.
And they've done quite well. And we did it year-round. Now, when I say that, in the summer,
so it's taking up to 125%. So that ought to be a help to you. And it's just by download this program. Occasionally you might have to update it, but it's not a big deal, and it's treated really well and well respected online. So hope that helps you a lot. Bless you.